Good day everyone. For today, turuan ko naman kayo kung paano mag-divide ng polynomials using long division and synthetic division. Okay? So, let us start. So, division of polynomials. Okay, so meron tayong dalawang method na gagawin. First is yung long division. Then the other one is yung synthetic division. So para makita niyo yung difference, ang gagawin ko dito, magbibigay ako ng isang given, tapos we will going to solve that using long division and synthetic division. So ready na ba kayo? Okay, so let's start. Para mas maayos, hatiin natin yung screen. Dalawa. Okay. So, left side, yung long division. Sa right side naman, yung synthetic division. Okay. So dito yung long division. So dito naman yung synthetic division. Okay, so let's start, no? So yung first example natin will be divide. So 2x cubed divide 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus x plus 4 by x minus 3. Okay. So, paano gagawin natin dyan? So, let's start with long division. So, alam natin that kung mahaba, yung polynomial, this will be our dividend, and then yung x minus 3, that will be our divisor. So, yun lang natin. Lagay lang natin siya like this. So, x minus 3, that will be 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus x plus 4. Okay, so, ang gagawin lang natin is, yung first term ng dividend natin, which is 2x cubed, okay? So, i-divide lang natin siya dun sa first term ng divisor. Okay, so magiging 2x cubed divided by x, so magiging 2x squared. So, after na natin siyang makuha yung sagot, okay, ito, i-multiply naman natin dun sa dalawa. Okay, so magiging 2x squared times x, so that will be 2x cubed. Then, since minus to, minus yan. So, 2x squared times 3, that is 6x squared. Okay. Pero diba naman sa usual division natin, kahit hindi polynomial, kahit sa simpleng number lang, diba ang process natin sinusubtract. Okay, so isusubtract natin siya. So, pag sinubtract natin siya, magbabago yung mga sign nito. Okay, so ito magiging negative, ito magiging positive. Okay, kasi negative times negative, positive. So, perform na natin 2x cubed minus 2x cubed, that is cancelled na, no? Then, negative 3x squared plus 6x squared, so magiging positive 3x squared. Then, pwede na nating i-bring down to negative x. Okay? So, ayan. So, kung paano yung ginawa kong process dito, same lang din dito, no? So, ito. Okay, so di-divide ko ngayon doon. The first term. So, magiging 3x squared divided by x, magiging plus 3x. Okay? Then, ito naman, multiply ko naman to dun sa dalawa. Okay. So, magiging 3x times x, nagiging 3x squared. Then, minus 3x times 3, 9x. Okay? So, and then subtract. So, again, pag sinubtract, magbabago yung sign. Since negative times negative is positive, na? Then, solve. So, cancel na yan. So, negative x plus 9x, that will be 8x. Okay? So, okay na. Pwede mo nang i-bring down yung positive 4. So, plus 4 ka ngayon dito. Then same lang, process 8x divided by x. So that will be plus 8. 8 times x, that will be 8x. 8 times negative 3, that is negative 24. Okay? So minus. So magiging plus ito ngayon. So makakancel 8x minus 8x. Cancel na yun. 4 plus 24. So meron kang 28. So itong 28 na to, okay, ang tawag natin dyan is yan yung remainder. Okay? Ayan. So punta naman tayo ngayon sa synthetic division. Okay. So sa synthetic division, ang gagawin lang natin is kukunin lang natin yung mga coefficient. Basta take note lang na kailangan yung variables natin ay magkakasunod. So for example, x cubed, x squared, x, then x sub 0. Kasi ito, meron naman tong ano di ba? Meron tong parang invisible na x raised to 0. Ito x raised to 1. So meron yan, no? Ayan, so gawin na natin. So ang gagawin lang natin is kukunin yung sa divisor natin, kunin lang natin yung value ng x. So paano yun? So magiging value lang ng x natin is x minus 3 equal to 0 or x equals to 3. Yan lang, kasimple. So yun na yung magiging ano natin, divisor. So 3. Tapos kunin lang natin yung mga coefficients, no? Ayan, nung ating given. So ito lang naman yan eh. So 2, negative 3. Ito may 1 yan, no? So negative 1 tsaka 4. So sulat lang natin siya. So magiging 2, negative 3, negative 1 tsaka 4. So ang tanong, sir, paano kung halimbawa x cube tas x na agad, walang x squared? So yung x squared, lalagyan mo pa rin siya ng ano, ng space doon, pero ilalagay mo na 0. Okay, so bawal mo siyang laktawan. Okay, so minsan ano doon nagkakamali, no? Pagka may butal na ano, na exponent, no? Okay, so start na tayo. So ang una nating gagawin ay yan, pag naiporma nyo na yan, okay, ang una nating gagawin is i-bring down natin yung first na coefficient. So that will be 2. Ayan, so bring down natin. Pagkatapos nating i-bring down, yung 2 i-multiply natin doon. So lalagyan ko rito, multiply. Ayan. Tapos yung sagot, lalagay natin sa second column. So 6. Okay? Tapos ang gagawin natin na susunod dito, i-add natin. Ayan. So add. So negative 3 plus 6, that will be positive 3. Tapos multiply ulit natin doon, magiging 9. Then add ulit natin, magiging 8. Then multiply ulit natin doon, magiging 24. Tapos add ulit natin, magiging 28. So paano ngayon natin isusulat to? Okay, so automatic. Yung nasa dulong number, yan na yung, okay, so yan na yung remainder natin. Okay, remainder. So magbabawas lang tayo ng isa. So kung x cube yung given, ba 2x cube, magiging, ang simula na lang natin is x squared. No? So magiging final answer natin will be, lalagyan na kasi natin to ng mga ano yun. So x squared, x, no? X sub 1, x sub 0. So parang ganun. So ang final answer na natin will be 2x squared plus 3x plus 8. And then yung remainder natin is yung 28. Okay? So remainder 28. Okay, so yun na yun, ano? Okay, so meron ba tayong way para maisulat natin yung ating meron ba tayong way para maisulat natin yung ating pinaka final answer? So meron, no? So ang sinusundan natin ay to. Okay, sulat natin para meron kayong guide. Okay? So ang isulat natin will be p of x. Okay? That will be p of x equal to, okay, so yung quotient mo, okay, q of x mo times yung divisor mo. So let's say d of x. plus yung r or yung tinatawag nating r of x na plus r of x yung tinatawag nating remainder. Okay. So, ganyan natin siya susulat. So, paano natin ngayon isusulat itong final answer natin? So, magiging final answer natin, magiging ganito siya. Okay? So, magiging 2x squared plus 3x plus 8. Okay? And times x minus 3 plus 28. Okay? So, ganyan yung magiging ano natin. Yung magiging final answer natin. Okay? Ayan. So, next example tayo. Another example. So, for another example, okay, so, ganun pa rin. So, ito yung long division natin. Ito yung ating synthetic division. Okay. So, gawin na natin. Hanap tayo ng medyo challenging. Okay. So, let's say, meron tayong ito. Divide daw. Okay. So, divide. Okay. 2x to the fourth. Ulit. Ayusin natin yung sulat. 2x to the fourth plus x cubed minus 3 by x plus 2. Okay. So, game. So, long division muna tayo. So, magiging x plus 2. Okay. Then, 2x to the fourth plus x cubed minus 3. Okay. So, ganun pa rin. First term divide doon. So, magiging 2x cubed. Multiply, magiging 2x to the fourth. Then, plus 4x cubed. Okay. Then, subtract. So, magiging minus yan. Minus. Okay. So, cancel. Matitira is negative 3x cubed. Okay. So, walang x squared eh. So, wala ko i-bring down, no? Kasi wala pang x squared, no? Okay. So, ang gagawin ko na, divide ko na siya, magiging negative 3x squared. Then, multiply. So, magiging negative 3x squared by negative 6x squared. Okay. Though, susubtract ko yan. So, magiging positive to. Ito positive. So, magiging cancel na to. So, magiging 6x squared. Tsaka ako ngayon i-bring down yung dapat x pa, diba? So, wala pa rin x. So, pwede naman mag-skip muna tayo. Okay, so, pwede rin i-bring down na. So, skip muna para para mas malinis tignan. So, divide. So, magiging plus 6x. Okay. Multiply. That will be 6x squared plus 12x. Okay. So, minus. So, magiging negative 12x. So, yan. Pwede na natin i-bring down yung negative 3. So, negative 12x divide by x. So, that will be negative 12. Okay. So, multiply. So, negative 12x minus 24. Okay. Then, change the sign. Okay. So, negative 3 plus 24, that is positive 21. So, ito ngayon yung magiging remainder natin. Okay. And, so next naman, synthetic division. Gawin natin. Let's check kung same lang yung answer na makukuha natin. So, magiging, equate lang muna natin sa 0 yung x plus 2 equals to 0. So, x will be negative 2. So, negative 2. Okay. So, sulat natin yung coefficient. 2, 1, Susunod dapat x squared, wala. So 0 yun, no? Kaya para hindi ka malito, pwede mo lagyan sa ibabaw x to the 4th, x cubed, x squared, and x to the 1, x to the 0. Pwede yun, no? So, for x to the 4th, 2, x to the 3, or x cubed, that is 1. X squared, wala. So 0. x1, wala din. So 0 din. Then x to the x raised to 0 or constant, that is negative 3. Okay? So, next is bring down 2. Then multiply. So negative 4, add negative 3. Negative 3 times negative 2 is positive 6. Add, that is positive 6. Okay, so multiply negative 12. Okay, add negative 12. Multiply positive 24, add positive 21. So bawasan lang natin ng isa. So magiging ano to, from x to the 4th magiging x cubed to x squared, x, and then x to the 0. And then ito will be the remainder. So ang tanong, paano ngayon natin isusulat yung final answer? Check muna natin kung pareho. 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 6x minus 12. Okay, so ito yun. No? Same lang sila. Ito. Ayan, same lang. Then same lang din yung remainder. Okay, so paano natin isusunod yung ating final answer? So final answer can be written as, so kanina pinakita ko sa inyo yung form na na px is equals to q of x times d of x plus r of x, no? So ngayon, pwede naman nating ibahin, no? So ang gawin natin, quotient muna. So magiging another way to, no? So pwede natin isulat ng 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 6x minus 12, and then plus, okay, yung remainder, that is 21 over the divisor, which is x plus 2. Ayan, so ito yung final answer. Okay? Actually, same lang yan kasi pwede mo namang ito i-multiply dun, so para mawala lang yung denominator. So parang another form, but still the same dun sa previous natin. Okay? So, I guess that's it. Kung meron kayong mga questions or gustong i-clarify, do not hesitate na mag-message kayo sa ating mga different platforms na ginagamit. Okay? So, we'll see each other again on the next video. Bye!